Kilo back with another sneaker unboxing, man. You guys already know what time it is. If you guys are watching this video for the first time, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave some comments down below for your boy. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get off into this video. So what's good, YouTube? It's your boy King Kilo. Like I told you guys in the intro, I have another sneaker unboxing, and it is a pickup that I got from eBay, man. So if you guys don't remember, I did a video on the City of Love Nike SB Dunk Burgundy Crush. Now I have the white colorway, which is the coconut milk colorway, I believe. And this is the City of Love GR Release Nike Dunk SB. And like I said, y'all, I got it from eBay. Shout out to eBay, man. Y'all already know what time it is. Y'all know how I feel about eBay. I really be finding the steals on eBay, and I've been waiting to get these so I can do a review of these shoes up close and personal with the Burgundy Crushes, man. And my last video on the Burgundy Crushes did really well. Got like over 2,000 views, which was like my highest watched video at the time. But, you know what I'm saying? I wanted to do a side-by-side comparison of these two shoes so you guys can see what they look like and the different materials that they both hold. So let's go ahead and get off into that. So man, I always like to start off with the box. As you can see, it's a purple Nike SB box. Typical. As I open the box up, I have the insoles in here along with some red shoelaces that came with the shoes. I probably prefer the cream laces or like the off-white laces instead of the red. But, you know what I'm saying, this is a valuable option that I could add to the shoes. Also in here, you got the insoles, which it comes with that String of Fate or String of like whatever. I forget what it is. It's like the Love of Fate or something like that. The red String of Fate, which basically symbolizing like the love and the bond that you have with a particular person, which is your soulmate. Hence the name City of Love Nike SB Dunk. I almost forgot, but I think that's what it means. So you got both the insoles here. So you got the white ones, and then you have this one, and then it displays like a different color hand. So a white hand, and then like a tan hand, and then a white hand and a brown hand. So that's what you have here on the insoles, which comes with the coconut colorway. So now on the burgundy colorway, y'all, it comes with just this white hand, which is like a, almost like a glass cut like type mosaic picture, and then you have the red String of Fate right there and Nike SB on the bottom. So this is one difference that I noticed from the burgundy pair to the coconut pair, as like this has more details than the burgundy one, which I think is pretty dope. So enough with that. Now moving on to the shoes itself. Obviously, you know these bad boys came from eBay. I paid 90 bucks for these from eBay. I think resale is about 160, 150 around there. As you can see, you have like the nice suede, like this is like nice clear suede. As you can see, you got the satin material here, which I think is a nice touch, along with that leather Nike swoosh here. And then you have the satin on the toe box. You have that suede right here on the toe box as well. You have the red stitching on the midsole, which would probably go good with the red laces. But you have that red stitching on the midsole right here, which I think is pretty dope. And then on the bottom, you have the Nike SB in that red colorway with a coconut or sail bottom. So I think that's pretty dope. You got that satin sock liner, which is super nice. I love that on shoes, especially like you see a lot on Jordan 4s, like the white Oreos, the military blacks, the metallic purples, shoes like that that have that silky sock liner, and I just love that detail of the shoes. Also too, on the tongue, you got that red String of Fate, boom, and then you got the Nike SB there, which I think is a nice touch as well. So now let's get into the real nitty gritty. So these shoes right here, man, as I put them side by side, as you can see, you see a lot of differences, but a lot of similarities as well. So on that midsole, you can see like a little spackle right there, or like recycled midsole. It's the same on the Burgundy pair as well, as you guys can see. It has like that texture or that same type of design on the midsole. And then along with that as well, you have that red stitching that comes across right here. And then you have the red stitching that stands out on the sail midsole, which is a nice touch. Both of these have leather Nike swooshes. This one looks like a cracked leather, as you guys can see. It looks like cracked. So the only other time I've seen this on a shoe was the Jordan 1 Lost and Founds, and then like the Visionary, which is like the Vault colorway of the Jordan 1. You see like that cracked leather right there, which I think is a nice touch. Let me focus up right there. And then you have like, this is not cracked leather, but this is just a nice leather Nike swoosh, as you guys can see. And this material is not, this is like a, I don't even know, this is like a textured leather that you can see here. This one is like a soft suede that you can see on the coconut milks. So a little difference there. On the sock liner, this is more of a like velvet look. As you can see, it's like a velvet look here. And then on this one, you got like more of a silk sock liner, which I think is a better touch in my opinion. So the silk just looks better to me. I think these materials hold up better though. I think these will get dirty a lot easier than the Burgundy Crushes. But y'all let me know y'all thoughts down below, man. I think these are both amazing shoes. I also lace swapped this out, but these are both amazing shoes. You guys let me know which shoe you guys prefer, which shoes you guys would rock more. Would you guys rock these or the Burgundy Crushers? Like I said, both amazing shoes. But I just had to do the side-by-side comparison. And I got these for a steal. You guys know me, eBay bandit, I be on it. So, you know what I'm saying? Nice little details of this shoe. Same material here. It's like a nice suede, and then you got like a little satin look right here, which I think is pretty nice. So y'all let me know y'all thoughts on this shoe, man. I'm gonna do like a little on feet and sizing tips for you guys real quick, and then we'll go ahead and get off to the end of the video. But let me go ahead and do that. So y'all, as I get into like the sizing tips and stuff for you guys, look how beautiful these things look on feet. All right, let's get back to it. So for sizing tips, I would say go true to size. These fit me perfect actually. And normally SBs, they like kind of fit a little snug, but these actually feel fine. So as far as sizing, I would say go true to size. You can go half a size up if you guys want a little bit more room. My toe is like right here, so it's not even at the toe box. So I think the materials like give you like a little bit extra room, not too much, but enough extra room to not feel any discomfort. So they look nice on feet too. As far as style, I like how these look. But yeah, man, as far as sizing, I would suggest going either true to size or half a size up. That's always my recommendation, unless they're like super comfortable to where you won't even feel the difference. So that's how these are on feet. Let me go ahead and get into a complete on feet look with like a pair of jeans and some pants and stuff like that for you guys. Let's get it.
Extra, this shit is hard.
Like always, if you guys watched to the end of the video, I really appreciate y'all. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. Show your boys some love. And like I always say, man, if you see these shoes on the street, you know they heat. King Kilo's out. Peace, y'all. Till next time.